Hi! In front of me is OPPO Reno 10x Zoom, and today I would like to show you how you can set up Face Unlock on this device. Firstly, go into Settings. Now you need to scroll down and select Passwords and Biometrics. Then click on Add Face, enter your current login method, and choose Continue. After that, remember to keep your face in frame and follow all of those instructions. Now you can click on the switcher next to Raise to Wake to enable or disable this feature and tap on Done. Over here, I'll adjust all of those face unlock features however you wish to. And when you're ready, click Home button. Now when I turn off my screen and then turn it back on, I guess that face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!